Good morning, guys. I'm Mr. Bright. Today, I'm going to show how to replace a blend door actuator. It's a temperature door actuator. Now, it's getting the winter season. Customer changed the temperature. This is the dual climate control. And on the right side, left side, each control different temperature. And then temperature up and down. Doesn't change the heater function both sides. So I pulled the code previous visiting our shop, and I found the right side or left side the door actuator sticking inside. So yeah, it's coming again to the repair this car. So I show how to replace the right side the door blended door actuator, and also left side door blended actuator. Yeah, let's go inside. This one is the YH1877. This one is YH1876. This one is right hand side. This one is left hand side. So I'm showing the passenger side first, and then you remove the glove box, the hinge clip both side, just to slide out. So easy. So and then take away damper wire from the glove box, and then remove all glove box assembly. Now we can see the right hand side actuator motor right there, and then new actuator motor. This motor comes with a linkage kit. This one, linkage attach the motor to the heater box. And I never seen the broken linkage and clips, so I just change the actuator motor. Disconnect connector from the actuator motor, and then it has 3 screws, one top, and then downside one more, and the back further side one more screws. And remove the old screw using the screwdriver. Have one first. It's much easier. Back side screw is hard to access the screwdriver, so I just using extension type screwdriver, and then into the behind the glove box, and then unscrew the screw, and then you can use the stubby type screwdriver. Last one, we can access bottom glove box frame, between frame, and then I'm using my Phillips screwdriver like this, and unscrew the screw. Left is new one, and the right side old one. You can see that a back side actuator white actuator position is different. So yeah, make sure all heater duct flaps move freely, and then arrange the new ones to the new one actuator point, and then you can move to this point to attach the linkage PVA slot, and then goes in to match the point pin slot, and then install the new actuator motor like this. Tighten all 3 screws back of the remover. Yeah, that is a plastic case do not tighten too much. Just the hand tight. Good. Next, I'm showing how to replace the left hand driver side actuator. Actuator much further inside the kick panel, so remove the 10 millimeters bolt and remove the driver's kick panel and disconnect the inside the temperature sensor and hose from the. Now can see the driver side actuator motor and then disconnect the connector, and then it has also 3 screwdrivers, top 1 here and bottom 2 screws. So you can use the stubby screwdriver like this and then unscrew all screws. Oh shit. Oh my god. I already mentioned before, new one and old one actuator motor point is different. Yeah, new one is all the time is set the specific position, and then we make sure all heater duct flap inside the duct is move freely, and then adjust the flap link set for the new actuator motor position. It's hard to line up motor actuator point to the linkage female hole. My one is much hard because I'm holding the camera in the other hand, only one-handed actuator motor. So line up the actuator linkage to motor and then attach the screw onto the actuator motor. Oh, that's the wrong place. Yeah, the bottom is correct place. Yeah, that's the screw. And much further, one more, and then tighten all screws. It's good. And don't forget to connect the actuator connector. Yeah, clear the code, actuator, then after replacement, and make sure all over here, cooling, AC is function. It's all good. Good to go. Thank you for watching.